Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, Google Chrome has been quietly downloading a nearly 4 GB AI model onto users' computers without clearly asking permission. I'm Emily, your check your storage right now person.
And I'm Gukas, tech enthusiast who just typed the URL they're about to mention into Chrome and is waiting for results. Live fact-checking in progress.
Committed to the bit. So here's what happened. A security researcher discovered that Google Chrome automatically installs something called Gemini Nano, Google's lightweight on-device AI model, onto compatible Windows and Mac OS computers. We're talking nearly 4 GB of AI files stored on your device, often without users ever knowing it was there.
And the files aren't exactly front and center. They're buried inside a folder called OptGuideOnDeviceModel, with a large file named weight.bin containing the actual AI model. Most users had absolutely no idea this was sitting on their computers. Some have been discussing finding these files in online forums for over a year.
And here's the part that really raised eyebrows. Manually deleting the files doesn't permanently remove them. In some cases, Chrome simply re-downloads the AI model the next time the browser restarts. Your computer, your storage, your decision, apparently not.
Google responded by confirming Gemini Nano has been part of Chrome since 2024 and says it powers useful features, scam detection, AI-assisted browsing, and developer tools, while keeping certain data local instead of sending it to cloud servers. So the privacy argument actually cuts both ways here.
That's fair. Processing data on your own device instead of sending it to Google servers is genuinely more private in some ways. But the issue isn't whether the feature is useful. It's whether users should be clearly informed and given a real choice before 4 GB lands on their hard drive.
Exactly. And Google has started rolling out options to disable and remove the feature through Chrome settings. So the fix exists, but it shouldn't require users to go digging for it after the fact.
If you want to check whether Gemini Nano is on your computer right now, type chrome://on-device internals into your Chrome address bar. It'll show you exactly what's installed and how much space it's using. Knowledge is power.
This is part of a much bigger conversation happening across the tech industry. AI is being quietly embedded into browsers, operating systems, and everyday apps. The technology may be useful, but informed consent should never be optional.
Couldn't agree more. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Go check Chrome://on-device internals today. You might be surprised what's already on your computer. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.